Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the Cherry Studio. We are going to download and install Cherry Studio on our machine. Cherry Studio is a desktop client that supports for multiple LLM providers available on Windows, Mac and Linux. So my machine is Windows, so I will be using the Windows version. Cherry Studio is a desktop client that supports for multiple LLM providers. And if you want to see the documentation, go here. This is the documentation here. This website is also available in English, and there is some link for this is the link to view this website into English. You can visit here and check the documentation. To download it, go to the releases. The latest release is 1.3.12 and it's available for Windows, ARM and the Mac machine. I'm going to download the Cherry Setup Studio X64 setup. It's around 96 MB and download is in progress. It is downloaded. Now click on exe file. Go to more info and run anyway. Now the installer will start and install Cherry Studio. Anyone who uses this computer, yes, install, and here it is installed. Click on finish. Cherry Studio is installed. So we connected with the Gemini. So we use the Gemini API with the Gemini API with Cherry Studio. In next tutorial, I will show you how you can use other models with Gemini API. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.